Hello? Did you decide to learn Arabic language but you don't know from where you have to start? Are you looking for Arabic resources online but unfortunately you didn't find one? Alright, this course is what you need. In this course, I will start with you learning how to read and write Arabic language. This is the first step which all Arabic learners should start. Hello, I'm Mr. Bakur, a professional and expert Arabic teacher. In this course, I will teach you the alphabet, how to pronounce the alphabet and how to listen the alphabet from a native Arabic voice. You will know how to write Arabic alphabet. Also, you will learn how to read words and sentences. By the end of this course, you will be able to read Arabic scripts. So this is a clear guide to read Arabic language. Enroll now and just start learning your Arabic language. Do not waste your time. Did you decide